In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable messaging on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because messaging settings for a business page are managed from the page experience and its connected business tools. Once you are on your business page, go to the left navigation menu and click Meta Business Suite. This will open the main dashboard where you can manage communication tools, content, and page activity in one place. Inside Meta Business Suite, look to the left sidebar and click Inbox. The Inbox section is where Facebook and Messenger conversations are handled for your business page. It is also where you can access the tools that help automate responses and improve communication with your audience. At the top of the Inbox page, click Automations. This area contains the Messenger automations and messaging features available for your page. Here, you can review the options Facebook provides to help you respond to people more efficiently. Take a moment to look through the available features. You may see options such as Instant Reply, Away Message, or Frequently Asked Questions. Each option serves a different purpose. Instant Reply can send a quick response when someone messages your page for the first time. Away Message can let people know when you are unavailable. Frequently Asked Questions can help visitors get answers to common questions without waiting for a manual response. Choose the messaging automation or feature you want to use and turn it on. After enabling it, configure the settings based on how you want your page to respond. For example, you may customize the message text, adjust timing, or select when the automation should be active. After you finish setting up the feature, click Save or Save Changes to apply your settings. This makes sure your messaging preferences are stored and activated for your page. Once everything is saved, verify that Messenger is available and working according to the settings you selected. You can review the page messaging behavior to confirm that the automation is active and responding as expected. This final check helps ensure visitors to your page receive the right message at the right time. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.